Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Warley Stock Box. So that's what you get inside, just a load of bits of cardboard. Now you might want to do this on the hard floor because it'll be easy to clean up afterwards. You'll see what I'm doing in another bit, but I'm going to hoover anyway, so it doesn't matter. You want to start off with the sheet here and fold all of these seams here inwards, all the marked ones. Once you've done that, you want to pop out all these bits here. Okay, so now that's done, but here you have the holes. If you turn it over, you'll see this crease along the back, so you need to fold it along that crease, and if you bend it, it should just fold like that anyway, and you'll have an edge like that. And I'll do it for all of these. So now you have your sheet. You can put it in the box. It won't really fit, but you need the other. Once you get the other piece in, it will hold it in place nicely. So now you want to take this piece here and break it off a strip like that. So you just got this. Remove all the pieces on the end. There's always a problem with the ones on the end, I don't know why. Anyway, and then again you'll see a seam along the back and you want to fold it along that seam. So you have this sort of strip. This one's a bit messy, but it's alright, it'll work. Then you need to fit it into the box by aligning. You need to align this slit into those slits perpendicularly along the edge. That, then get another strip and do the same thing on the other end. So now we have one layer of the box done. Just take one of these sheets and put it on top. And that's ready to be filled with track. And it will track like that. Sorry, trains, not track. And now we repeat the process for the next layer. So now this one's done, you can take a look inside. You'll see there's a row basically for wagons to go along here. If you have shorter ones, you can fit up to 2 or 3 going across by using more of these pieces, which are these strips here going across like that to break it into smaller sections. And so yeah, we can split it into 4 sections actually, but I don't think there are any wagons that small, to be honest. So yeah, now we can take a look at one I filled already. As you can see, you've got most of the Voyager in there because it's not all up in the cabinet anymore. Just got to make room for other stuff, new things coming in. And yeah, so if we lift this layer out, there's more underneath. So that was how to assemble the Warley Stock Box from the modeller's Mecca. These are a really good way to store a lot of locos. If we look down here, I have 4 of these, which is room to store 40 wagons or locomotives, whatever, which is, well, it's a lot more than I need at the moment. And it's very compact, which is great. Okay, thanks for watching. Now it's time to clear all this mess up.